Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for joining. We're going to dive right into 4 applications of the Shemagh. This video is brought to you by Survival General, a US-based company providing you with top quality survival gear for all your survival needs. Go check them out. All their links are in the description below. Let's dive right into 4 applications of the Shemagh. Application number 1 is using the Shemagh as a head wrap. It can protect your face from the elements, dust, dirt, grime, and even 7.62 by 39. To tie it, place the Shemagh on your head, pulling the left side over your mouth and nose to the right side of your head, and pull the remainder of the Shemagh around your face, under your eyes, meeting both ends and tying with an overhand knot. The second option starts the same way with the Shemagh on your head, but this time you'll pull tightly like a headband over your forehead. Wrap the right side around the back of your head, all the way around your nose and mouth, wrapping a second time, meeting the remaining end that was on the left side in the beginning of the process. Tie with an overhand knot. The second application is utilizing your Shemagh as the manliest fanny pack on God's green earth. Open up your Shemagh, leaving your items in the center, rolling it up tightly, leaving both ends dangling. Tie up the pack on the front, the back, or tie a double overhand knot and use it as a shoulder pack. In case you get an owie, the third application is a very simple arm sling. Open your Shemagh and pull the corners to the middle, almost making a boat-like shape. Grab the corners and pull the Shemagh over your back, tying it with an overhand knot at your chest. Once tied, spin it around till the boat is cradling your arm. The fourth application is for all the pyros out there. Trim a small piece of cotton from a tassel on your Shemagh, roll it up into a ball, and it will make the perfect fire starter. To get your hands on one of these, make sure to go to survivalgeneral.com and use my coupon code INTHESTICKSOutdoors10 to receive 10% off your order. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you thought it was helpful. We'll see you on the next one.